Morning, everybody. It's pretty early, about 5:30 in the morning. Just waiting on my buddies to get here. We're gonna do hopefully drone flying, hiking around Guanella Pass, and hopefully the weather cooperates with us. This morning and overnight it rained really good, so it's pretty soggy up there. So we're packed and ready to roll. Here we go. Stops on the way. Down there's Georgetown. We stopped down there at the lake, get some drone shots, and then taking a peek at these trees that are already starting to be fall foliage, almost peak. A little early, but it's looking good. More to come. As we're driving along the pass, we find this pretty sweet waterfall. Now we're gonna hike up to the top. That was one hell of a hike to get right up there. Right in there, a little slippery. But that was a fun hike. It felt like a mountain goat. I know my fiance would laugh at that. If you look close enough, we got a family of deer. Guanella Summit. Probably pronouncing it wrong, my luck. But perfect weather up here, nice and cool, not too hot. So definitely a good hike. The scenery is pretty remarkable. Here we are at the path to Mount Bierstadt. We got Dead Man's Lake right here, a little further on this path. Not too sure what this mountain range is right here, so in the comments below, tell me what it is if someone can make it out for me. And I believe Mount Evans is on the back side of all this, kind of connected. It's pretty gorgeous out here. All the leaves and bushes are starting to really change over really early in the season, and so everybody's starting to hike up here more, flock up here. So come check it out. Hey everybody, how you doing? Hope you enjoyed today's journey through the mountains, wandering around Guanella Pass, getting some aerial footage with my drone, and just hanging out with my friends Matt and Kyle, enjoying the day. Mother Nature definitely gave us a couple hurdles along the way, but they're good, they're fun. And there's plenty more where this came from. My name is Matt Marcotte, this is my channel, and I am also followed on Instagram at thisguytravels303. And I've just been inspired a lot, just always procrastinated and just kind of nervous to, start a vlog. And because I travel a lot, I want to document as I go and share with friends, family, and then you guys, whoever's tuning in. And so I figured, why not? Let me try this out. This is video number 1 with many more to come in the future. And what we got looking forward to in the next 6 months or so is I'm off to India and Nepal in end of October and part of November, and then most importantly, I'm getting married to my beautiful fiance in January. So my goals for this channel is trips, adventures, whether it be hiking in mountains or maybe a trip report on a plane. I love planes, so might see those from time to time, but definitely adventure.